I'm going to create this makeup look. I don't know why, but I like it. I actually love bold makeup looks. So let's start with our eyebrows. Again, I used a Von pomade for my eyebrows in shade Tornado. He did too. I'm applying eye base on my eye. Yusuf is also applying. I'm applying dark brown shade here. To create more depth, I'm adding a little bit of dark shade here. It's a kind of chocolate brown shade.
Yes, it's like chocolate.
Now I'll add little bit of lighter shade here and then I blend it with my same brush. You should also try this kind of eye makeup look. It will help you to keep your mind open with different colors. It's time to do a cut crease with Vaseline. For my cut crease area, I am taking this shade from the same palette and I'm using this James Charles palette. Here you go with the shade. I can see a little bit of glitter here too. So I'm gonna add it. Now it's looking quite same. Why my shade is not looking like this dark brown? So I'm just adding a little bit of more brown shade. Do you see difference? It's way matching now. I just have done my eyeliner too. Let me complete my face, then I'll come back. My face is done. Now I'll apply dark shade under my eye. I'm bringing it all the way inside. Now I will blend this shade with green shade, as you can see here. Blue here. It's a green. Now I'm blending it with a lighter green shade. And you see my foundation is looking so flawless. I applied it with a different technique and I'm gonna share it with you in my next video or maybe some other day. But you see, it's without filter. It's looking so flawless. These eyelashes are from Amazon. Lower lashes mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal telescopic mascara. It's my favorite one. And here you go with the final look. It's almost same. And I tried to match my lipstick also. But I swear, my foundation. I think I'm gonna use this technique again and again. And you see, it's without any filter. And if you like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to follow me. And yes, you have to share this video too. Bye. See you in my next video.